Hi, my dears. Let's learn a trick to recollect all the image formations by a concave mirror and a concave lens. All that you need to remember in the concave mirror is this, or concave lens is a V. See, a concave mirror will reflect the light, so you need to write your V in this way, and a convex lens you have to write it this way. All that you need to remember is at the point the intersection of the V at the principal axis should be at F. Here also, if you see, this V is intersecting this principal axis at the point F. So you know, and concave mirror, you have six positions. So the first position is at infinity, and you know the image is at the point at the focus. So the second position is beyond C. The image is formed in between F and C. See, you draw your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as your object positions in this direction, and you draw your 1 prime, 2 prime in this, that is your image positions in this direction. The second position, the first position, that is at infinity, the object is an enlarged object, while your image is a point sized diminished image. So, this picture will help you to remember even the characteristic of that image formed. The second position, here also the object is enlarged, and you see your image size is smaller. At C, the object size and the image size are equal, and the image is formed at C. At in between C and F, if you see the object size and the image size is bigger. So the image is a bigger, enlarged, real inverted image. At F, now at the point of F, when the object is at F, you have your image at infinity. So the sixth position is in between F and P. Beyond infinity, you cannot draw, so you extend this line, and you have your sixth position here, which is 6 prime, and that is behind this mirror. So this is a erect virtual enlarged image. And now in the case of a concave lens, you write your V like this. You have only two positions. First position is at infinity. You have your virtual erect image at the point F. The second position is at a finite distance from the optical center of the lens, and the image is formed in between F and the O, the optical center. So you have your 1 prime and 2 prime in this direction.